welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the driveway. Alright, so today we're going to change things up. Usually we work on the old second gen. Well, today we're going to switch gears. We're going to go work on my wife's 2019 Dodge Durango. Alright, so for anybody who has these newer style vehicles in gas or diesel, you run into some issues with, let's say, throttle, dead pedal and what have you, because it's all drive-by-wire. So we got a product from our friends over at Bdpower. We're going to try their new Tsbooster 3.0. My wife's complained about having dead pedal on the vehicle for some time. I've driven it a few times. We've got like 10,000 miles on it, and we've had it for a little over a year and a half, and it's time for a little bit of improvement. So I'm going to show you guys step by step, not a whole lot to it, how to install it and see what it feels like. All right, guys, before we get started, the biggest thing that they're going to go ahead and mention on the instructions is if your vehicle obviously is a newer vehicle, has key sense or anything like that, leave the key in the house or as far away from the vehicle as you can. And you also want to make sure that all your systems are powered off. So give it like 5 or 10 minutes, open the door, something like that, and make sure that, again, your gauge cluster, your infotainment system, all that stuff has shut down. All right, so the next step, guys, is going to be literally go to your throttle pedal and locate the connector. All right, so now that you've got it kind of, you located your connector, you can start routing your harness. Again, you'll see there are 2 different connectors here. This one's obviously going to go into the actual throttle pedal itself, and this one's actually going to go into the, this one's actually going to go into the harness. So basically you're just going to swap those 2 out. Again, the one is going to be pulled out of here, goes into here, and then this one right here is going right into the pedal. All right, so your finished product should look something like that. Again, you got the new Bdpower harness from the Tsbooster hooked up to the throttle pedal. Now you can route your harness pretty much whatever way you want. I'm kind of feeling something like right there, right next to the headlight switch, will work out just fine. Again, like I said, not really a major job by any means. No real tools are needed. They do give you all the supplied cable ties and 3M double-sided tape to apply, and I'm going to go ahead and fully install it, and we're going to go ahead and go through the calibration period of it. All right, guys, so once you get it all hooked up and you get your double-sided tape on, and like I said, that's kind of where I've got it set up right now. So we're going to go ahead and key the vehicle on and go ahead and do a quick sweep of the throttle, and we should be ready to go. Like I said, all you got to do at this point is just, you'll just start real slow sweep all the way down till you get to 100%. You do that a couple times. As you can see, it's already good to go. That simple. Like I said, no major real work here. So let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and walk you through each level here. So if you start up, you've got eco mode, which is basically a reduced throttle to help you save fuel economy. Then you have just your normal driving, which is basically a 25% boost on throttle. Then you step it up there, then you're up to a 50% throttle. And then you have race mode, which is basically 100% throttle over stock. And then if you hold down from there and you get one additional level, it's kind of like a secret mode. That's called your ludicrous mode right there. And that's 300% over stock. So we bought it, so let's go ahead and give it a swing. All right, guys, so just a quick heads up. If you ain't ready for this, this will definitely kind of get your attention. Ludicrous mode is absolutely ridiculous. Right now, I just knocked it down to race mode, and like I said, I got like hardly any throttle, and I'm like already at 60+ miles an hour. This thing is crazy. So yeah, if you guys are buying one of these, just make sure you check your levels before you go out there and drive, because it'll get your attention real quick. All right, so in close, guys, if you're really looking for a product that can get rid of dead pedal for you and feels like you're got a lot of power, but mostly just boosting your throttle, give the guys at Bdpower a contact and go ahead and order one, because so far I'm highly impressed. Especially if you put this thing in sport mode, you really get to feel all the power this thing's got. I mean, the stock Pentastar puts out about 320, 350, I think. I can't remember exactly. But like I said, it'll definitely get you going. So until the next one, guys, P-Pump the world. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks again.